and this is going to be the choices. So I could either choose 0, 1, or 2, right? And that would still make sense when it comes to my choice and the computer choice. So the next thing would be, we'll have a print statement that tells us what each of the person has chosen. So let's say I chose, we'll use an F string because we are dealing with, well, we don't need an F string, but just in case, I chose, that would be choice, which is the entire list, and whatever value I input in this, what do you choose? Choice, my choice. And escape to the new line. Let me make this inline, and computer chose, oops, mistake right there. Okay, computer chose, and that is choice, computer choice, right? So this choice is represented as the list, and this is a value that I will put. The computer as well. This choice represents this list, and whatever random value between 0 and 2 will be put here, right? So I chose this and the computer chose that, right? So now let's pull the control flow, the if-else statements that determines if I will win or the computer wins. So let's say if my choice equals 0 and computer choice equals 1. So I chose rock and the computer chose paper, right? Who wins in that regard? Computer wins. Print computer wins. Or let's say you lose, I lose, you lose, right? Now let's do the other statements. How if my choice equates to if I chose paper and the computer chose, actually let's do all the possible values for when you choose rock, right? So if I chose rock and the computer chooses scissors, that makes me the winner because rock beats scissors. Rock beats scissors, so I win. Looking for the exclamation point. Okay, right. So now, what if the computer and I both choose, you know what, it'll be easier if I just do this. The computer and I both choose rock, right? that will be a draw. Draw. Alright, now let's go into the cases of where you choose paper, right? So if my choice equals 1 and the computer chose 0, that's I chose paper and the computer chose rock. Print. I win. Say, yep, I win. And another one where I choose paper and the computer chooses paper as well. That will be a draw. Draw. Right. Now, there's a point where if I choose paper and the computer chooses scissors, that means I lost. You lose. Now let's go into the cases of where I choose scissors and the computer chooses rock. In that case, I would lose. Oops. You lose. And another case of I choose scissors and the computer chooses paper. That means I win. I win. Now in the case of if I choose scissors and the computer chooses scissors as well, that would mean another draw. Draw. Right. Yeah. So let's first off delete this and bring these to life. So scissors would be this. Equal to this. This is not needed. Paper would be, oops. So this, and yeah, let's put paper. That's paper, and this would be rock. So this is rock, this is paper, and this is scissors. Right. Let's do this. Yep. Rock, paper, scissors. Right. And these are the choices. So let's run this and see the results. Right, so the error was because I used a just one double quote. I should use multiple double quotes because the this ASCII is on multiple lines, not just one. Right. So scissors will have the same. Okay, should work now. What do you choose? Rock, paper, scissors. Actually, let me have it skip to the next line. Right, and run. Start again. And 0. Okay, so I chose rock, and computer chose rock as well, so it's a draw. Let's run it again. What do I choose? Let's say I choose paper. Okay, I choose paper, and the computer chose scissors. Scissors beats rock, so I lost. Let's run it again. Let's say scissors. Okay, I chose scissors, and the computer chose paper. Scissors beats paper, so I win. And that's how it is. So we got each value, or each result, which is the draw, a lose, a loss, and a win, which shows the program works well. So yeah, that's it for day 4 of the 0 to 100 days of coding Python Bootcamp by Angela Yu. See you in day 5.